Most people grow up believing that being kind, being honest, being soft will protect them. But then reality hits. You help people, and they use you. You stay loyal, and they replace you. You stay quiet, and louder people control the room. That's when you realize something painful. The world respects power more than innocence. And that's exactly what Niccolo Machiavelli understood centuries ago. He believed survival is not about being good. It's about being smart enough to not get destroyed. Because sometimes, if you stay too soft in a ruthless world, you become easy to manipulate. So in this video, we'll explore 7 brutal Machiavellian techniques that make people powerful, respected, and hard to control. Sign 1. Hide your true intentions. Powerful people rarely reveal everything. They don't announce every plan. They don't expose every emotion. And they definitely don't let everyone know what they're thinking. Why? Because once people understand your intentions, they can interfere with them. Machiavelli believed mystery creates power. Notice how dangerous people often appear calm and unreadable. Meanwhile, weak people overshare everything. Their next move, their emotions, their insecurities. And because of that, people know exactly how to manipulate them. Sometimes silence protects you more than honesty. Not everyone deserves full access to your mind. Sign 2. Control your emotions. The person who controls emotions controls the situation. Most people lose power the moment they become emotional. Anger exposes weakness. Desperation destroys respect. Over-explaining lowers your value. That's why emotionally controlled people appear intimidating, even during chaos. They stay calm. And calmness scares people. Because when someone cannot emotionally control you, they cannot easily control your decisions. Machiavelli understood this clearly. If others can predict your reactions, they can use them against you. So never let emotions make decisions your mind will regret later. Sign 3. Speak less, observe more. Weak people talk too much. Powerful people observe. They study behavior, energy, tone changes, fake smiles, hidden jealousy. Because information is power. The quiet person in the room often understands everyone the most. And the dangerous part? Nobody realizes they're being studied. Most manipulation becomes obvious. Once you stop talking long enough to notice patterns, people reveal themselves naturally. You just have to stay silent long enough to see it. Sign 4. Never appear desperate. Desperation makes people lose respect instantly. Whether it's relationships, friendships, attention, or approval, the moment people feel you need them too much, the power shifts. Machiavelli believed dependence creates weakness. That's why powerful people maintain emotional independence. They care, but not blindly. They walk away when necessary, and strangely, the less desperate someone appears, the more people chase them, because confidence attracts, neediness repels. Always remember this. The person most willing to walk away usually holds the power. Sign 5. Use silence as a weapon. Silence makes people uncomfortable, and uncomfortable people reveal things. Most people rush to fill silence because they fear tension, but powerful people know silence creates psychological pressure. A calm stare, a delayed response, a quiet pause can say more than 1,000 words. Sometimes silence forces others to over-explain, to panic, to expose insecurity. That's why silence is powerful. Not every attack deserves a reaction. Not every insult deserves your energy. Sometimes your silence alone makes people question themselves. Sign 6. Make people need you. The most powerful person is rarely the loudest. It's the person people cannot easily replace. Machiavelli believed usefulness creates influence. If you bring value, knowledge, and skills, solutions, people think twice before disrespecting you. That's why self-improvement is power. Learn things others don't know. Develop rare skills. Become emotionally strong. Become mentally disciplined. Because once people benefit from your presence, your value increases automatically. Power isn't only dominance. Sometimes power is becoming irreplaceable. Sign 7, detach when necessary. This may be the most brutal lesson of all. Not everyone deserves endless loyalty. Some people only stay around while you're useful. Some only respect you when you stop tolerating disrespect. Machiavelli believed leaders sometimes must detach emotionally to protect themselves. And honestly, this is something many people learn too late. If someone constantly manipulates you, drains you, betrays you, being nice won't save the relationship. Boundaries will. Sometimes survival requires distance. Not hatred, not revenge, just emotional detachment. Because protecting your peace is also power. Machiavelli's ideas sound harsh because reality can be harsh. But this video is not about becoming evil. It's about understanding human nature before human nature destroys you. Be kind, but not naive. Be calm, but not weak. Be respectful, but never easy to control. Because in a world where people constantly test boundaries, sometimes survival depends on learning when to become brutal.